Women's Day, it's my privilege as Dr. Chander Lulla, fetal medicine specialist, to be addressing you. Uh, Women are a very integral part of our lives, and when a woman is becoming a mother with the pregnancy, it's very important that we educate them about genetic problems that can happen during pregnancy. So every pregnancy has a small risk of having a genetic abnormality or a structural abnormality, and therefore we need to screen the pregnancies and look for these abnormalities and eradicate them completely. And this is possible. So when we get pregnant, they're very important to do the first trimester scan in the first 3 months to look for Down syndrome. We can predict whether the baby is going to grow well during pregnancy, and also for blood pressure in pregnancy. All this is possible by a simple blood test called the dual marker test, with PLGF and ultrasound called the nuchal scan, and monitoring of blood pressure. And this can avoid a lot of hardships for the mother in the form of genetic abnormalities, blood pressure during pregnancy, growth retardation, and many other disorders that women have to bear the burden for if the child is abnormal. Once we finish these tests and get the reports, some very few women will unfortunately be positive on the tests, and then we may need to do further tests, like chorionic villus biopsy or an amniocentesis, to evaluate what type of abnormality are we dealing with, whether there is a risk of Down syndrome or whether there is infection in pregnancy, uh, and such things. And these are near 100% tests. And we also have a very good new test called cell-free DNA, or NIPT, which especially in the high maternal age women, we can from the mother's blood pick up the cells of the baby and say whether the baby has Down syndrome or not. And these tests are very easily available, especially with labs like Metropolis, who are the pioneers of these tests and who have excelled in the quality of these tests. And I fully support them. And for Women's Day, to give the best to the women who are so important in our lives. Thank you.